And it's okay, awesome. So you found a deal, it cash flows on paper. You got all the information from the motivated seller, which is awesome. So what you can do now, is, because your concern is, I don't know if this is a good deal for anybody. And I said, well, the only way that you know is if you try, right?
Mhm.
Okay. So one way to try before you get it under contract, if this is what you want to do, is go into Facebook real estate investment not marketplace, but these groups,
Mhm. Yep.
and write a post that says, I'm an investor in Edmonton. I found a property in this area. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built at this time. The seller is willing to negotiate with me. Based on the numbers I found, it'll cash flow $135 a month. Send me a PM if you're potentially interested in this deal, and I'll send you more information.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
And then see what happens.
Mhm.
You could get 20 people, send me information. So what you want to ask for, send me a private message or a DM, direct message, with your name and your email address or phone number or both. And I'll get you more information. All right.
Mhm.
So you could have 25 people respond to you. Then you have their name, their email address, their phone number, and you can start a conversation.
Right. Yeah.
If you get 25 people, oh, and you mentioned the price, right? You mentioned the price is this, right? It's $254,000.
Okay.
They will, yeah, if you have 25 people interested, then you probably have a buyer.
Mhm.
You definitely have a buyer's list. And then you can go, but you have to ask them, you have to say, this deal didn't work out this time, or can I add you to my buyer's list? And they'll say yes or no, right?
Right. Yeah.
But it could be the beginning of creating a buyer's list.
Yeah, that's a really, really kill two birds with one stone. That's
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah. So that's
Mm.
one thing that you can do to kind of test it out. So if you
Okay.
put it out there, okay, now be ready for this. You're all just a bunch of greedy landlords, although you probably won't see that on a group, okay? But you'll have people, you know, you'll have the odd hater, like, well, if you're not willing to post the address, then I'm not interested. You'll have people, you just have the haters out there. People that take action get hate. It's
Yeah, thanks for the warning.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to remember that. Yeah.
Yeah, so
That,
both might happen. You might just get hate, no messages. You might get a lot of hate, a lot of messages. You might just get pure love. I mean, that's possible too. And a
I
lot of
hope so.
messages. Who knows? But it's a way. And again, uh, you know, engage with them on Messenger, and thanks for reaching out. Can I add you to my buyers list?
Mhm.
Or I'm gathering more information right now. Can I add
Mhm.
you to my buyers list? Yes, no. No? Okay. At least I'm talking to you now. I'll get you more information, and then maybe ask again. Can I add you to my buyers list now? Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
and when I do, so then I got to put together a um just a little document about the or just an just save an email draft that I can
Okay. So
use.
step 2, let's say you're inundated with response. Then that's when you know to go get it under contract
Okay, okay,
as quickly as possible.
okay, got
Yeah.
it.
Get it under
Because
contract and then say, Okay. I have all the information. Here it is, because then you got it tied up.
Yeah. Because if they message me, I can't give them because I can't technically, but I'm not publicly advertising it, right? So like if they
Well, you
ask me for
are.
the details,
Yeah, you are,
um,
but you're kind of just putting, it's like fishing, you know? You put the hook, you throw the hook in the lake and you see, this is like a hook in the lake without a worm.
okay,
A bunch of hungry fish come and all around, oh, there's fish. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna put a worm on it, right?
okay, okay, got it.
That is a funny analogy. I can't believe I thought of it. I'm not really a fishing person, but here we are.
You just thought of that on the fly?
On the fly.
Wow,
Like,
that's a
like the
really good
fishing.
analogy. I love it.
I don't know. I hope it helps you. I hope it helps people. I'm gonna stop the recording now. All right.
But I like how you said you throw the hook in the water.